In this video, we'll take a look at solving word problems that involve inequality. In this first example, it states Karen's financial aid stipulates that her tuition not exceed $1,000. If her local community college charges a $35 registration fee plus $375 per course, what is the greatest number of courses for which Karen can register? The problem is asking us for the greatest number of courses, which we don't know. So setting up a variable, we'll let x stand for the number of courses. The inequality indicated in this problem is the not exceed, which means it translates into less than or equal to. And let's see how the total cost is calculated. There's a flat fee of $35 plus 375 times the number of courses. It cannot exceed 1,000. If we put that together, we have our flat fee plus 375 times the number of courses cannot exceed less than or equal to the $1,000 budget limit. We're now ready to solve the inequality. First, we will subtract a 35 from each side. Next, undo multiplication to get the variable by itself, dividing both sides by 375, leaving us with x less than or equal to 2.57 and so on. Courses would be an integer, and we want the greatest number of courses that will satisfy the conditions stated here. So the whole number that is making this a true inequality would be to let x equal 2. And to check that, 2, the number of courses, times $375 cost plus the registration fee results in a total of $785, which meets that budget constraint of 1,000. If you tried 3 courses, you would see that you were over the 1,000. Here's another problem. A light rail service in Denver costs $1.15 per trip one way. A student monthly pass costs $21. Gail is a student at Community College of Denver. Find the minimum number of trips per month that Gail should make if the pass is to save her money. We are looking for the minimum number of trips per month, so we'll let our variable stand for exactly that, the number of one-way trips. And then to look at this problem, we want to find when the pass will be less than the trip cost at an individual rate of $1.15. To represent that, we have the following inequality. Here's the one-way trip charge times the number of trips. When will this be greater than the one-time monthly pass fee of $21? The only operation needed to solve this is to divide both sides by 1.15, which gives us x greater than 18.3, rounding to the nearest tenth. Trips would be an integer as well, and the minimum number, which is being asked in the problem, that would satisfy this solution would be 19. 19 trips per month for a pass to save money. Anything under 19, Gail would be just as far ahead paying per trip rather than laying out the $21. Rod's quiz grades are 73, 75, 89, and 91. What scores on a 5th quiz will make his average quiz grade at least 85? They're asking us for that 5th quiz score. We'll let our variable stand for that. And the key word here is at least. We're talking about a grade average. At least translates into a greater than or equal to. So we need to average the grades. There are 5 of them, 1 unknown. And to average numbers, we add the numbers up and divide by the number of items, which in this case is 5. The at least is greater than or equal 85, and we're ready to solve the problem. First, eliminate that fraction or denominator of 5 by multiplying both sides by 5. The 5 cancels out on the left, and 85 times 5 is 425. We can simplify by adding these quiz grades together, which result in a sum of 328 plus that unknown 5th quiz score. And the only thing to solve this inequality then is to subtract 328 from both sides. Our solution to this inequality is x is greater than or equal to 97, and the question is asking us what scores on a 5th quiz will make his average quiz grade at least 85. Rod needs to score a 97 or better on the 5th quiz score. One more problem. Most insurance companies will replace a vehicle if an estimated repair exceeds 80% of the Blue Book value of the vehicle. Michelle's insurance company paid $8,500 for repairs to her Subaru after an accident. What can be concluded about the Blue Book value of the car? The unknown here is the Blue Book value of the car, and the keyword exceeds 80% of the value is going to lend itself to a less than with the following inequality translation. The repair price is less than 80% of the cost of the car. Replacing 80% with its decimal equivalency and then solving for x, we'll divide both sides by 0.8, leaves us with x is greater than 10,625. So the conclusion is the car value is greater than 10,625, or they would not have approved her repair work of 8,500, which is less than 80% of the value on the car.